Hi everyone, my name's Rhiannan. I'm the occupational therapist at Kids First Children's Services in Brookvale. Today I'm just going to do a quick little video to teach you how to make Play-Doh from home. Super easy, lots of fun, get the kids involved and it'll give you a project to do for the rest of the day. So Play-Doh has so many benefits for hand strength, fine motor skills, lots of fun creating different shapes. You can make different animals out of the Play-Doh. You can put things inside the Play-Doh. You can put little beads. You can use toothpicks. We can break up pasta and put inside the Play-Doh. So there's endless amounts of ideas that we could use for the Play-Doh. And many of you know who do come to OT how much we love Play-Doh and putty. So let's get started. Okay, so super easy. All we need is some flour, table salt, cream of tartar. I have some food coloring that I'm going to use today, which is going to be red. As you've seen, I've already made a green one. 1 cup of flour. Half a cup of table salt, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, and combine well. Next we will add a tablespoon of olive oil. And now for the water. Just start to fold it together. And there you have it, Play-Doh. Now, if the consistency is too wet, add more flour in, just gently, a little bit at a time, and then mix it again and see how we're going. If it's still getting too sticky, then add a little bit more flour. If it's too dry, add a little bit more water. Only little bits at a time because otherwise we don't want it to get too sloppy or too dry. Easy. And there you have it, Play-Doh. The process of making is also really great for that hand strength. So get those kiddies to really push down hard and knead that dough, and get out some Play-Doh cutters, even some scissors. Thank you so much for joining in. Had an absolute blast, and I hope you all stay safe in these times and look forward to seeing you again soon.